back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Toyota Tacoma. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma continues to solidify its reputation as a capable and rugged mid-size pickup. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or simply need a reliable truck, the Tacoma offers a mix of power, versatility, and modern features. The Tacoma Hybrid is all about power. With a robust 326 horsepower, the hybrid variant outshines the standard Tacoma's 278 horsepower. However, don't expect dramatic fuel savings. According to EPA ratings, the hybrid only slightly improves fuel efficiency over its non-hybrid counterpart. Inside, Toyota has given the Tacoma's cabin a modern makeover, blending functionality with comfort. Seating and space. Expect a raised driving position that offers excellent visibility and plenty of headroom. Dashboard design. The interior features high-resolution screens, traditional button and knob controls, and premium materials. Added comfort. Heated and cooled front seats, along with a head-up display, are standard on higher trims like the Limited. The overall interior layout ensures both driver and passengers have a comfortable and tech-friendly experience. The Tacoma's hybrid powertrain is called iForce Max, and it pumps out 326 horsepower and a strong 465 pound-feet of torque. It features an electric motor between the engine and transmission and a small nickel-metal hydride battery. For the Trailhunter and TRD Pro trims, this hybrid setup is the only option, but for off-road enthusiasts, the Tacoma's top two trims are likely attractive. They come fortified with underbody protection, knobby 33-inch Goodyear Territory R/T tires, and exclusive suspension components. The TRD Pro, for instance, features a standard disconnecting front anti-roll bar and unique 2.5-inch dampers with remote reservoirs. The price of the 2026 Toyota Tacoma starts at $47,815 and goes up to $65,230 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.